Hi everybody, Jo here again from Lavinia. How are you doing? I've got a fun design for you today. Well, I say fun, it's relaxing. We're going to do some lovely colouring and I'm going to create a design similar to this. And recently I've really been loving sort of reds and pinks, and this all started with some of our fabulous new card. Let me bring it in. I treated myself when I did my last workshop at the Dreamatorium, and it's this beautiful, look, smooth, light grey card. It's a new must for me, and I'm going to be playing with this quite a lot. So I'm going to start with stamping, and you know me, I went for a stamp I've not used for a while, and this is the Forest Cap Toadstool. Now, it's a big old stamp, but it will fit on this design. A few of you have mentioned recently you've had problems with Mojo. We call him Mr. Mojo, it's just your motivation, and that can be that you've been unwell or you've been busy or stressed or just life in general. So maybe stamp yourself some designs up and just get your pencils out and just add some colour. Look at the detail there. How beautiful is that? I want to stamp the field grass, but I just want it behind. So I've torn myself a little piece of copy paper just to act as a mask. First, second generation. Turn it round. The same on the other side. Remember to blot your design, VersaFine Clear, slow drying ink. Just going to come in with my black micron pen and just add some some lines and dots. I've not altered Tracy's design, I've just sort of extended that. And now for some colour. Our mini circle mask and confetti. A nice light pink colour. So as always, turn this upside down. Start at the bottom. Remember, blend in the lid. Work your way round. And I just want a hint of pink on this grey card. So I'll turn it round, look, have a look. Going to stop there. Don't want too much. Now to add some colour. My pencils are alive. Mondeluz colouring pencils, number 1, 131, 132, oh, and 170. Because the moon's at this side, I know my darkest colour will be at this side. So what I'm going to do now is just start and add the darkest, the depth of the colour. Now you will just relax, maybe put the kettle on, get yourself a nice brew. And again, I'm just working out where the depth, where the darker parts will be. Then my next red. And all I'll do with this is come further into our lovely toadstool look. And next into the pink. Each colour, when I add it, I do just go over the colour before, just to help that blending process. Finally, the white. You can use the white to blend if you want, but I'm going to come in with my lovely clear Wink of Stella. And this will blend the pencils beautifully, but it will also add that lovely bit of sparkle. Now we have a red Wink of Stella, and this is beautiful to add just a little bit more of a deeper red, just at the base. And you see where Tracy's drawn the lines and the dots where we've got that shading. I do love the coloured Wink of Stella. Do check out all the different colours. Next, I want to add a little bit more shade. So I'm going to come in, these are the Koh-I-Noor soft pastel pencils. As you know, I love these. The white, just going to add a little bit of pastel around the moon. I'm just going to blend that with my finger. And then I'm going to come in with the pink and just add around where we've got the field grass, look. Again, I could blend with my finger. This is just a biodegradable cotton bud. Just to save me getting a pink finger, really. You know, I try and keep things as clean as possible. And that's just given me that lovely shade. Now, I want a little bit of shadow, so I'm going to bring the black in. And this just adds a bit more oomph to the design. Maybe a little bit of black down this side, look. Because we'd have the shadow with the moon being at that side. What I'm going to do as well is come in, see this lovely bit here? Now, we've got so many lovely gel pens that you could colour that with. You know me, the yellow sparkly Posca. It needs a shake. And I just want to bring in that lovely gold look. And again on the windows, look. And just in the middle of these beautiful flowers here, look. Oh, pen. Now, again, I would wait till my work's completely dry and come in, and it may be you need to do this twice. Little tip, I tend to use the white pen once, let it dry, and then come back in and go over the white again, and it really will look a much brighter white. How fabulous and how quickly does that all come together, and it's so lovely. Now think, you could add Pippin down here, you could add one of the creatures down here, one of the fairies, or just leave it generic like this. Finally for me, it wouldn't be a design without some little splatters. If you don't like the splatters again, you leave this off. Just going to put them round the grass. And then where Tracy on the design look, we've got some black little dots. So I'm going to go over those with my yellow sparkly. I think that's why she drew them, because she knew I was going to use my yellow sparkly Posca. Now, I think with this grey card, one colour on its own looks fabulous. How lovely would this look? Now, are you a blue girl? Are you a purple person? What about greens? I just went for pink. I'm really into pink recently, but I can't wait till you have a go. Maybe get some grey card, use a different colour, make a set of notelets. So I'm going to leave that with you. If you create this design, I would love to see what colour choices you make. So please share with us on our socials, the Lavinia for You and the Reach Out with Lavinia on the Facebook groups. Just have fun. I'll see you again soon. Love and hugs from me. Bye for now.